Hey folks, Adam here, showing off this. I'm just installing my solar panel fence. Very straightforward and easy. This is a really cool design out here in the great outdoors. You can hear the birds are excited. And you know what? I love how easy this was to install. Now, these kind of clip together, so that makes it convenient. And we're gonna spray it off and hose it down because this is waterproof here in a moment, and get it nice and clean before we get started. So yeah, this is nice. So I've got some areas that are getting a lot of sun, some areas that'll get a little less sun, but I know these are gonna last, and boy, they last for hours and hours at night. And it's a perfect design. Now, to make it very clear, I went ahead and shopped on their website, and we'll put that information on screen, but we did receive this absolutely free for being popular influencers. But this is gonna be a perfect design for my yard. And I think it's a perfect design for your yard as well. I like that I can separate this off, and now my lawn care crew knows where the grass should end and where this grass should start. All right, folks, let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So a nice thing about these is that they are completely waterproof, and that is really cool for me because they're outside. If they get dirty, no problem, I can rinse them off. And if it rains or we get some bad weather, they're gonna handle perfectly. And these are actually very well designed for both hot weather and cold weather. So you don't have to worry if you get a little bit of fluctuation in temperature. They're perfect for your house. Now, something else I love about this is that it's adding illumination to your yard, so this is gonna look great at night. We'll make sure to come out here and show these at night. And these solar panels, like I said, even if they are in a little bit of shade, they're going to do a great job of taking a charge and giving you light at night. Now, this is gonna be a great thing for safety. Imagine someone's walking around your yard at night. You can let them know, hey, there's a big wall here, or hey, there's a lake over there. This can go ahead and illuminate their step and keep them from falling, keep them from potentially having issues, and that makes me happy as well, that not only are we adding safety, but security as well. And they also say that a well-illuminated area is much less likely to have crime. So, less likely for somebody to sneak into your yard, steal your stuff, if you've got a little illumination in your yard. So many great reasons to have these around. But period dot, they look great. And this website, you're gonna check it out, link in the description below. But they've got tons of stuff for your needs when it comes to your outdoor environment. And you know what, it's just important to really make a house a home, to add a little personal touches, and that's what their website will do. All right, folks, so this is a really fantastic fence, IP44 waterproof. We've got 8 hours of light on just 5 or 6 hours of charge. That's really cool, and hopefully we'll have plenty of night footage to overlay to where you can see that these look really good. Again, the website, absolutely fantastic. Go there and check out all of your needs. Very happy with this. I'm gonna do some shopping for myself and really, again, make my house a home, and I think you should as well. So, if you're looking for a great brand and a great company, a website that you can trust is a great choice for you, and it's a great choice for me. Folks, I'm gonna recommend that you go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. Again, my name is Adam. We're talking about the most elite products in all the land. So folks, what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. You know I love and appreciate you. Go pick some up. Goodbye, my friends.